down, them a run me down. Count me out, them a count me out. Hold it down, me a hold it down. One man, me a hold it down. Cool it down, me a cool it down. Catch the flight, then I touch the sky, and I catch the vibe, then I feel the high, then I feel the high, then I touch the sky. It's a real bad move when you stick up on them and they can see you coming. Man, a real bad man, you cannot say anywhere for me. Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down, grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, a ruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Settle down, I'm still the man, I'm on the man, they want the man, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. Pull me down, I got this town, I run this town, I'm on the man, they want the man. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I'll be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby.
All right, so it looks like they sent us the bolts, the wrench to go with it, the emergency pull cord. They also sent the manual incline, which is going to go on both sides. Looks like they even sent us the oil to grease the belt up. Okay, and some cup holders or cell phone holders. All right, I'll show you later how to put that in. Pretty simple.
Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down. Grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, a ruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Settle down, I'm still the man, I'm on the man, they want the man, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. Pull me down, I got this town, I run this town, I'm on the man, they want the man. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I'll be forever.
Magic of the fast forward.
They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby.
Use this. I think I'm gonna have to use the drill because this thing kind of gets in the way. Okay, and I don't feel like, see, kind of gets in the way. So rather than fight with this, I can do it down here, but I'm going to use the drill for the top.
Run me down, them a run me down. Count me out, them a count me out. Hold it down, me a hold it down. One man, me a hold it down. Cool it down, me a cool it down. Catch the flight, then I touch the sky, and I catch the vibe, then I feel the high, then I feel the high, then I touch the sky. It's a real bad move when you sneak up on them and they can't see you coming. Man, a real bad man, you cannot say anywhere for me.
Magic.
Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down, grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, a ruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I'll be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista. Settle down, I'm still the man, I'm on the man, they want the man, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. Run this town, I'm on the man, they want the man. They can't hold me down.
Much faster.
They can't stop me now.
Looks like we're gonna have to go a little tighter. Okay, so you really have to make sure that this is lined up. Otherwise, it's not going to be able to go all the way through. So now that I have it lined up, I use the manual. I can actually go get a little stronger. Okay, so with this one, you don't really have much of a choice but to go manual. That way you can get it all the way through. So, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the other side, all right? Yo, there's a QR code. If y'all decide y'all don't want to read all of the instructions, there is a QR code you can scan, right?
Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down, grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, unruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Settle down. Settle down, I'm still the man. I'm on the man, they want the man. I'm still the man, I'm on the man.
Hey, yo, this has to be probably one of my favorite parts. So this here keeps it up, right? Check this out. Just saying. All right, y'all. So I'm 217 pounds. This has a capacity of 265 pounds. All right.
Run me down, them up, run me down. Count me out, them up, count me out. Hold it down, me up, hold it down. One man, I mean me up, hold it down.
All right, so this is about 4.6. And then to speed it up, so very satisfying. That's pretty fast. So if you really want to get some running on, all right? Okay, so my honest review of this Urevo treadmill with the incline is actually a pretty decent treadmill. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. And for $300, not bad. Okay, it doesn't exactly fit inside your closet, but it does tuck away nicely in a corner, and as you can see, it just folds up out of the way. You know, pretty good for a living room. Okay, so I would say definitely a must buy. All right, until next time, like, share, subscribe. Peace.